Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do this pink and black eye look using butter in my crease. Has my transition shade. Okay, next I'm going to be adding is chip. And I'm going to put that in the outer crease as well. And I'm going to put little by little so it doesn't look too harsh and too messy. So that's what you want to do. Just like want to work little by little, like baby steps. Because that's what it is, it's like baby steps. Okay, next I'm going to be adding is Abyss, and I'm going to also place that in the outer crease. So it's like you want to go from light to dark, and doing the same thing, baby steps. And another thing, when you're applying color, you also want to blend, so make sure there ain't no harsh lines, because we want to make sure this shit is going to look good. Now I'm going to go with my white jumbo pencil and milk, and I'm going to try to put this on this flat brush and try to see if I can put it on my eye. And it wasn't like going on there like smoothly as I thought it was, so I went ahead and just used my Tarte Shape Tape and lights and just went over that. And yeah, just watch the video, you'll get the idea. I'm going to take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to be using this hot pink shade here. Put that all over the entire lid. And plus I used the second row of the pink color to brighten it up a little bit. I didn't add this in this video, but that's what I did because it wasn't bright enough. So yeah. I'm using the same color I added the second time in my outer crease, which is chip, and just kind of like lightly go over that, try to make it as a gradient look, going from pink to black. Now I'm just going to be using my NYX matte liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to try to do just a small wing. Doesn't have to be so dramatic. Unless you want it dramatic, then you do what you feel, or you do what rocks your boat, basically. Now I'm going to put on some falsies, girl. Now I'm going to go with my black jumbo and bean, black bean, and I'm going to put on my lower waterline. And after that, I'm going to be smudging it out. I'm going to try to put pink on top, which it didn't come up like I wanted to, but it is what it is, so. Okay, now I'm adding that white from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, the shimmery one, you know. And then my inner corner and my brow bone. Dang, look at my hair. You see that hair in the back? It's like, looking weird. Now I'm going to be going with my Maybelline Super Stay Ink in Poet, which I love. This color is my favorite nude. And I'm going to be putting that one on. And now I'm going to go with my NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. This is something I like to wear alone, or I can put over top, like this. And doesn't have to really match the eye look, but you know, something natural to wear on your lips. You know what I mean? Okay, well, this is the completed look. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did creating it for y'all. And yeah, if you like this, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell button right here. And yeah, I love you guys, and stay beautiful.
Okay, it's